Introduction to Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Element number 1. Atomic number 1. Symbol H. Atomic weight 1.01. Electron configuration 1s1. Hydrogen belongs to a family of elements called the other nonmetals. It also belongs to a group of elements called the s-block elements. These elements' outermost electron or valence electron orbits in a spherically shaped orbital. Discovery. Robert Boyle in 1671 produced hydrogen gas during an experiment with iron and acids. Henry Cavendish in 1766 understood it to be a distinct element. But it was not until Antoine Lavoisier in 1783 named the element hydrogen from the Greek words hydro meaning water and genes meaning creator. The name hydrogen was derived by Lavoisier based on Cavendish's finding that water is generated when hydrogen is burned. Did you know? Hydrogen is the lightest element on the periodic table, even lighter than helium. The problem is, hydrogen is highly flammable. Yet, if placed in a glass tube in the absence of oxygen with an electric current applied, hydrogen emits a pink-purplish color. How is hydrogen generated? By means of a process called electrolysis, which is the applying of an electric current directly to water. This process breaks apart the water molecule, with the negative pole or cathode attracting the hydrogen and the positive, the oxygen. Both gases can then be separately stored. The hydrogen atom. Contrary to popular knowledge, electrons do not orbit in a specific path, but can rotate anywhere it wants to or needs to within its electron cloud, whether it be an S, P, D, or F orbital. It rotates wherever it desires within its electron cloud. Hydrogen possesses one electron, one proton highlighted in red, and one neutron highlighted in gray. As you learn about this element, consider how it interacts with other elements in the universe. What helpful uses can be derived from this element, and how by subscribing to this channel, you will learn more about the elements.